So we've created criteria, we've weighted them, we've listed the options, and now we're going to score them. So click the Scores tab and you'll see all the options against all the criteria. We've done these as a preference scale, so we can then score, in this case 0 to 100, how we think they perform against each other. When you've done one criteria, press the forward button and do the next one. So find the best one, find the worst, and then the others in between. And repeat until you're happy that you've got all the scores in. If you want to explain your scores, you can put it in the notes here. And carry on. When you've finished, you'll come to the end. So that gives you all the scores that you need. Later on, I will take you through what time slices are, but time slices are the same scores over a different time period. You can enter the scores directly into a table by clicking Table. By default, it goes to Scorecard. Or you can actually do a 3-point estimate where you can actually put in an upper bound and a lower bound for each of the scores. But for this one, we're just going to go for the scorecard. You can have a look at the results in several ways. So you can look at what the input scores are. You can look at what those input scores map to, depending on how you've done the mapping in the criteria. And finally, you can look at it as a heat map to see how the mapped and weighted values work. And what you're looking for here is a variation of colour. So you can see here that under this particular value set and weight set, the stakeholder weights where criteria 6 wasn't weighted, you can see the result. And if you change it to a different score, you can see the different results coming up.